Good morning, friends. In this CSS tutorial series, we are learning very important topic of CSS. CSS is very important to style the website and web layout to make it beautiful. So, in this topic, in this tutorial, we are learning CSS positioning. Positioning is very important to fix image or content in a specific position to design the web layout. First, take HTML boilerplate, CSS title, CSS positioning. Link the CSS file, style, CSS, style.css. Our folder CSS and file is style.css. Now inside the body, take a div tag, div, make it div dot container. Inside the container, let us take an image. SRC images oblique which one? Let's take study. Now take another one, p tag, lorem 300 text. Now see, delete all this body, ff. Actually we don't need it, but let's do that. Badana, text align, justify. Now div dot container, we can just write dot container also, width 400 pixel, height 400 pixel, border 3 pixels solid red. Now what happened, there is a box we have created, but the text is go beyond the box. Now how to contain it inside the box? This is overflow. We have learned it in the previous tutorial. Overflow, if we write hidden, say remaining portion is hidden, but we don't want to do that. We want to see inside the box. So auto, it will create a scroll. Auto or scroll, we can use that, so we can scroll and see the whole content. So up to this we have already learned in our previous video, overflow. Now positioning, let's write the position of the container, static. If we write the position of the container static, we cannot create margin left, margin, we cannot give margin, but left, right, top, bottom, but we still can use margin property, margin 40 pixel. See, it creates margin from left, right, top, bottom. You can see it. But if we use ing with dt is width 200 pixel, height 200 pixel. Let's see, inside the box the image width and height is contained in 200 pixel by 200 pixel box. So if you use now position relative, what happened? And float, let's write the div tag float left, float left. So we have seen position static and position relative. Now come to the point position fixed. Here if we use position fixed, see the image is fixed. So we can also use now top 30 pixel, say left 40 pixel. So you can use margin in fixed position. Now what is absolute position? We will use absolute position in the image. Absolute. If we use absolute position, nothing will happen. It works like fixed position. But in that case, we have to define a parent. The container is parent. Position of the container should be relative with the now it is absolute position, and we can use margin 40 pixel. See, so it is moving along with the content of the container. So dear friends, thank you very much for watching this video. Please continue watching and subscribe my channel.